All right, guys, welcome back to another video for hardworking geniuses. This is what is it? New Year's special? No, New
New
Year's
Year's Eve. Yeah.
Eve special. Man. Today's gonna be a good episode. We're getting I think Carter's getting out of a little flu, so we're gonna keep it chill and stuff. Nothing too crazy. Like you guys can see, I'm not in my regular background right now. I made a makeshift desk with my pillows in my bed at my grandma's house. So it's gonna be a quick little stream, but it's gonna be good. So we're gonna make it the best out of it. How you been, bro? How you been? You told me you were sick for the past couple of days. How's that going?
Yeah. It was pretty bad, but thankfully it's passed right now.
Yeah.
I'm feeling a lot better. I still got some sniffles and stuff like that, but other than that, I've been pretty good.
Yeah, but hey, that's good, bro. That's good, man. All
What
right, bro.
about you? You said you were
I've
sick a
been
little
good
bit too?
too. I've been good. Yeah, I got sick last week. Right now, feeling better. I got allergies. Not as strong as before, but they're still there. I got the sniffles, like you said. Nothing too crazy. Just excited to be here again with another show. A little bit tired though. A little bit tired. I think I
Okay.
woke up. I keep waking up early, dude. Sleep at 2, sleep at 3, sleep at 1. I keep waking up at 7 a.m., bro, for some reason. So I really don't get that much sleep. The sleep I get is good sleep, but not enough. So I'm a little bit tired today. But other than that, bro, feeling good. Christmas passed. Christmas is
Mhm.
good.
Mhm.
Had some family over, some gifts here and there and stuff. So yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty nice. Just chilling with the family. And I'm excited for New Year's too. So we'll see what my mom is cooking up in the kitchen, bro. Ooh, I can
Oh
smell it from
shit.
here, bro. It's smelling good, bro. It's smelling good.
Do
So
you know what she's
we're
gonna
gonna
make?
making some pozole, bro.
Is
Have you
pozole
had
like
pozole?
no? Is pozole like menudo but with chicken?
It's similar. It's similar. Very similar. I think the only difference is that the meats that they use is different.
Okay.
So it's a similar flavor. Just like I think the other ones. I'm not sure what like the meats are, but I think it's just that they're different. Um, but it's very similar. So she's making that right now, bro. Ufas, smelling good. So I'm excited for tonight, man. How about you, bro? How's Christmas? How's everything going on?
Christmas was good. It was nice. Food was good, and then New Year's, yeah, New Year's looking good too.
Yeah, that's
Excited,
good, bro. That's
excited,
good, man.
excited for the new year. It feels good outside as well. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Damn, bro.
But
All right, bro.
who? I have a question. Who decides like to do pozole or menudo? Like,
My mom. My mom, yeah,
but
cause
like, do
uh-huh.
y'all make menudo too, or just pozole?
We make both, but my mom likes I think most of my family likes pozole. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I wondered
Yeah.
if maybe like different families come from different areas and one might lean towards more menudo, one
Yeah.
might lean towards more pozole. I never had
Yeah.
pozole. My grandparents only
Nah,
made
bro.
menudo.
Bro, ufas, bro. You gotta have it, man. You gotta have it.
One
It's
thing
good.
that
It's good.
one thing I know I don't
Uh-huh.
like is mole. You like
Oh,
mole?
out of here, man. I love mole, dude.
What is that?
I I was I was in the same ship as you. I didn't like it at all. But then I tried it once, and then I tried it again, then I tried it again, bro. Ufas, bro. I think it's good.
What's
It's pretty much
yeah?
chili is like a little combination of different peppers, like dark peppers.
Mm-hmm.
So it was meant to be because there's two different types. There's a spicy one and there's like uh uh a sweet menu what is it? Pozole. No, not pozole. Mole.
Mole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I like more the sweet one that's not very spicy mole, but there's like it's just a different combinations of like different spices and peppers that usually takes like hours to make it. Like mole, like if you do it from scratch, it takes like a couple hours to make it. but my mom buys it at the HEB already pre-made, so she just adds it in
Okay.
there. Adds a little bit of peanut butter, bro. It's good, man. It's good. So maybe
Peanut.
that's
Wait,
why I
wait,
like it.
wait,
It's
wait.
just
Sorry,
yeah.
sorry.
There's
Peanut
two different.
butter.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, she adds peanut butter, and weirdly enough, do you know chocolate abuelita, the
Yes,
grandma's? Yeah,
yes.
she adds a disc of
Abuelita
that.
chocolate.
Yeah,
Is it
bro.
the? Does she
So
do the
it's
powder or like the block? The block of chocolate.
the
The
disc,
disc.
bro.
Okay.
Yeah, so she adds that in there, then she adds the mole and stuff. So
But
it's a
is it
more sweet
spicy?
soup.
Is that one spicy
It has a,
or?
like a tint of spicy, a tint of
Okay,
spicy.
because I
It's
could
like
say like that's good if it's not the spicy mole.
yeah, it's not that spicy. But there's like two different types, or like spicy one which I haven't tried, but I'm assuming it is really spicy. Then the sweet one, which is like a mixture of both, and it's really good, bro. It's really good. And then she makes some white rice. Ooh, fast, bro.
Ooh.
And then you get a cheese, the Mexican cheese that
Oh yeah.
crumbles.
Uh huh. Uh
Ooh,
huh.
fast, bro. That's you getting me hungry, bro. But yeah, I was in the same ship. But then I tried it a couple of times and I started liking it, man. It's good, Mo. It's good, bro.
Okay. Maybe I'll try it one
Yes,
day.
sir. I bet,
We'll
bet.
see what happens. But
Yes,
all right,
sir.
I think we're ready to get started, folks. Since this was kind of like an impromptu recording, well, it is a recording right now. Impromptu. We're gonna be posting this in a couple hours. Usually, we try to record a week prior, each before each episode. But lately, with our schedules, it's been very difficult to like find some time. So we're trying to make it work. And I got sick a couple days ago, so we weren't able to stream to record that day. So with that being said, we couldn't do as much prep as we wanted to do, and that's okay. We're just gonna be a little bit more, how do I say, natural, like when it comes to
Yeah.
finding some problems. So I guess to start, um, we're gonna be looking for problems right here, right? Usually we
Yeah.
have some problems that we have in mind or whatever. Or it's not like we rehearse the problems that we get, like we know how to solve them or anything. It's just more of like we understand, okay, which problem we want to do first, which one we want to do second, just and then like add an article into the stream. So it just gives us more of like a set plan rather than
Yeah.
like maybe we're like everywhere. It seems like we're everywhere, and like we're not all planned out. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But anywho, so I guess let's get started, Jose. What are you feeling? I know
Let's
this.
try.
Yeah, keep going. Go.
Let's try with a little warm up, to see to test the waters, and then we can
Okay.
try another like a little harder one.
Okay.
Um, but what about arrays? Something with arrays,
Okay.
string sounds like
String.
something not too crazy.
Where's string at?
I think
Up
it's on
here.
the top right. Yeah, yeah. Some
Okay.
strings, something
Easy.
um easy,
Okay.
something
Easy.
easy to warm up.
Let's see. What
Nothing too
haven't we not
crazy.
done? Let's do a. Oh, we did a random one.
Oh, okay.
Um, I
Let's see.
wasn't.
Okay,
Hold on.
okay.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Well,
Hold on.
we got
Okay,
this
fine.
one.
We got it then. This is a
Okay,
random
okay,
one. I was gonna
okay,
like pick and choose, but this is a random one. Okay.
okay.
Sure.
We
I
can
don't
do this
care.
one then.
We could do this.
All right, let's see.
You want to read it or I read it?
I'll read it. I got you,
Okay,
man.
go.
Okay, so we got 1621 slowest key. This is easy, and it says the following: a newly designed keypad was tested, where a tester pressed a sequence of n keys one at a time. If we're given a string key pressed, and length n, where key pressed I was the ith key pressed in the testing sequence, and sorted list release times, where the release time at I was the ith key was released. Both arrays are zero index, so the zero index pressed at the time zero, and every subsequent key was pressed at the exact time the previous key was released. The tester wants to know the key of the key presses that had the longest duration. ith key press had a duration of release times at position I minus release times at position I minus, well, what's that? 1? Yeah. And the 0th key press had a duration of release times 0. Note that the same key could have pressed multiple times during the test, and these multiple presses of the same key may not have had the same duration. Return the key of the key press that had the longest duration. If there are multiple such key presses, return lexicographically largest key of key presses. Damn, that's a tongue twister, bro. I couldn't. There's so much key presses and ith, bro.
That's
Oof,
okay.
dude. I haven't read in a while, bro.
I
I'm
can
telling you,
read
bro.
this
My
part if
reading
you need me
skills.
to.
I good, bro. I got you.
Okay.
Example 1, input release times equals 929, 49, 50, key press C, B, C, D, output C. Explanation. The key press was as follows. Key press for C had duration of 9, press at 0, and released at 9. Key press for B, duration of 29 minus 9, which equals 20. Key press at time 9, blah, blah, blah. Right after release of the previous character and released. Key press for C had duration of 49 minus 29, which equals 20. Pressed at a time 29 right after the release of the previous character and released at 49. Key press for D had a duration 50 minus 49 minus 1. Pressed at the time 49 previous character and released at the time 50. The longest of these was the key press for B and the second key press for C, both which with duration of 20. C is lexicographically larger than B, so the answer is C. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this lexicographically means like if they're equal, then which letter is bigger than the other letter that's
Yeah.
equal to.
Yeah. Yes, I believe so. Yes. 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 Yes.
The longest would be. And the second key press for C. Okay. Okay, this one. It says
This one.
the key press as follows: S P U D A. S had 12, 23 minus 12, 36 minus 12, 46. Wait, no. 20, 23 minus 12, 36 minus 23, 46 minus 36, 62 minus 46. The longest of these was A at the end. Okay. And then let me look in the. Honestly, I wasn't thinking too much over here, but then
Yeah. Go for it. Go for it.
no key definitions that we missed. Length and where was the I press? Yeah, and a sorted list. Oh, sorted. Okay, they're sorted. Where was the time? Both arrays are 0. And every sub. Okay. The key of the key press of I minus, and the 0th key press. Okay. Yes.
Got all right. All right.
The same key could have been. Note that the same key could have been pressed multiple times during the test, and these multiple presses of the same key may not have the same duration. What do you mean by
Okay.
that? What does it mean by that?
Like if you press C, it might have duration of like 16 seconds. Then later on, you got another C, it might have a duration of 10 seconds. So like, even though you press the same keys, like it's the same key, the duration of the sequence or something like that, or whatever the duration is referring to, may vary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Constraints are release time, key presses, and won't be greater than 1,000 and less than 2. Blah blah blah. Press key. Okay. I'm a little bit confused on why they said this right. I understand what you mean, but like,
Yeah.
so it's just saying if, like, why would we keep track of the letter? Like,
Oh, because
all
you have
we're,
to return the letter.
oh,
Yeah.
but what I mean is like, if from what it seems, if all we're doing is just subtracting I minus one. Sorry.
I get. I get.
If all we're doing is subtracting I minus I minus one, right?
Mhm.
We're just looking to see. We're just tracking the biggest um, duration we get, and we store it,
Yeah.
and then we store it with the letter.
Yeah.
Why does that matter if
No. Okay. I think I get you. Okay. So you're pretty much saying like if we're tracking the duration between key presses, why do we even have to like consider the fact if they're the same letter, if the keys being pressed are the same letter? Okay. I see. Um. I believe. I mean. Maybe because you might assume like, oh, it's the same letter, they must have the same duration, or something like that.
hmm,
Uh, but honestly, I think you're onto something here.
yeah,
Um,
that's just still tricky. I guess we'll find out.
yeah, we'll find out then. We'll
But
find out. We'll find out.
okay, what do you think your initial approach is? I mean, I kind of already said what I think, but
Yeah. Mm, okay. We can do we can do 2 pointers. You know, one in the beginning, one 2 pointers. I think. Uh. 2 pointer approach just to get the difference between the previous element and the new element. That way
mm-hmm.
we can know the duration of each. And then we can keep the I, like keep like a variable that stores the index of the biggest duration. Because eventually we need to get the letter that corresponds to that duration. So maybe keeping the index is gonna help us.
We could say like
Um,
result equals an array, um, something like that,
okay.
where
Yeah.
and then you just store the value, and then you store the value, highest value, and you store the key,
The
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 key,
letter. Okay, I like that. Actually, I never thought about it.
and you
Okay.
keep
Okay.
changing it.
Yeah, we can do this one. We can do this. Yeah, for
Okay,
sure. Okay, I like this. I like this. Yes, yes, yes. Okay,
and then 2 pointer.
and then we can then 2 pointer. Yes, 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 yes. Approach with like a for loop maybe. Well, yeah, we'll have to do a for loop. Where we can check. No, we can do something like a Oh, I had to log in into my thing. Let me see. Give me a second. Let me log into my LeetCode. For some reason, it kicked me out.
It's okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, there we go. I think I'm in. Yes, I'm in. So we can do like a for loop, right? Or
Okay.
something like this. And then we can do this for loop, right? We can do our 2 pointer gonna be here. And our first pointer one can be I, right? And our second pointer can be I minus one. Right? Something like that. Something like that.
Yep, yep, yep.
And then we gotta check if pointer two is less than 0, right? That way, if it's negative, we can just do something here and say duration is equal to I.
Yep.
Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then we check with the rest. And in this check, we're gonna check if we're if we're if res at position 0, we're bigger, right? If we're bigger, and if we're bigger, set this to whatever I is, and then the next one, which is a lexical number thing. If I think if it's if I'm assuming, okay, so if this one is bigger, we set it to I. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this.
Yes.
Maybe, yeah.
This one would be if res greater than. I think you could say less than.
Okay.
Because then you change it. If res is less than.
Oh yes. Good catch. Yes.
And this would be I minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna put in
Yeah.
parentheses. And there you go.
Okay.
Right. Something like that.
Yes.
All right. I like this.
Okay, I like it too.
Okay.
This seems decent. Seems like we're in the right.
But I feel like there's something going on here. The note that the same key could be pressed multiple times, and these multiple presses of the same key may not have the same duration. I don't know. That's something a little bit tricky.
Okay.
But also this lexicographically largest key. So that means at the very end we need to say like you also need to compare if they're the same.
Yeah.
If they're the same, check. Let me see. If res equals I minus 1, and compare both characters. Compare the characters.
Oh, okay.
If it equals the same duration, then when after you subtract it, we gotta check this character up here with the one down here and see if it's bigger. If it's not bigger, then you don't change this.
Yes.
Got it? I think. And then we're gonna say return res at 1.
Oh, my foot fell asleep. Oh, fast.
Your foot fell asleep?
Yeah. I can't move it. Okay. I'm good.
It's all good. Are you ready?
I'm ready, bro. I'm ready.
Okay, I'm gonna start the for loop. Is it for loop or
All right, you go.
loop?
For loop.
For I in range, length, release times.
Let's go.
Okay. -1. Or can we start it at 1?
No, because we need to figure out the first element though.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think if we start at 0, that's good.
Should the pointers be declared outside?
I think we can put them outside. Yeah.
Okay.
So pointer 1 is gonna equal to
wait.
I.
Oh. Yeah, why would we need pointers if these are this is the variable?
Okay, we can skip the pointers then. Yeah, we can skip the pointers.
You guide me on this one. I'm having a brain fart.
Okay, I got you. So we need to check because I is our first pointer. right? And then I minus 1 is our second pointer.
Uh-huh.
So we gotta do if I minus 1 less than 0, right? Which means it's negative. We're gonna put res position of 0 gonna equal to, what is it? Release times? Yeah, release times position I, and res at position 1. No, key pressed. Position I. Boom. Yeah, because if we're in the first one, that's the first one is like the default case, if that makes
Okay.
sense. Yeah, so we do this, and then we do the rest where we do. Now we're in the next one.
Wait a
We
minute.
wanna.
Okay, never mind. Keep going.
Okay. We call it duration, which is going to equal to release times a position I minus 1. Is it I minus 1? No, yes.
The I minus, yeah. Got it.
Yeah. Boom. Something like this. So now we got duration.
Uh-huh.
Then, like you said, with the if statement over here, the first one, if res a position I, a position 1, which is the duration,
At 0.
equal to a 0. Yes. 0. Equals to duration.
Uh-huh.
We'll update if res equals duration, and res
compare.
position 1 is less than
Key press.
key
I.
press position I. Forgot the if that, then res at position 0 will equal duration, and res at position this will equal keys press then I.
Position 1.
Yerne. Position 1. Oh yeah, there we go. Something like this.
Okay. Would this
Okay.
would this check the values of the characters automatically?
I think so. I believe so. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping Python is able to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay. That's the first check.
Mm-hmm.
Then if it's
Base case.
if that's the base case,
Logic.
getting the
And
and
then?
the if statement, and then we say, there you go. Now if res at position 0 is less than duration, right? And less than duration. It's less than duration. We wanna update.
Wait. If duration. Yes. Sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Then res 0 equals duration.
Duration. Res at position 1.
What are you doing here?
Whoa.
No, not you. Sorry.
Oh. Duration, and then res 1 equals position I. Something like this, and then we return whatever 1 is.
Okay. And then what's the else? Is there gonna be an else?
I don't think we need an else, do we? No, I think we can leave it like that. Or we can just do if. Yay?
Yes, I agree.
Yes? Okay. Bet. Okay. So let's run it through it one more time just to make sure. Um, so we got a response with zero, with first index being the duration, second being the key pressed. Then we have the for loop where we loop through everything. We check. We get the maximum value, the first iteration of the. Um, ooh, I think here we gotta do continue right here on line
Good
21.
catch.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So we get the first one, we continue, and then next iteration, we skip the first if statement, and we get the actual duration. Next key pressed, we check if the res apposition theory equals duration. If it is, we check the lexicographical thing,
Yep.
and we keep the biggest one, the highest one, and which is we update duration and we key pressed. We actually we just need to
Update
update
the
the
letter.
key, the letter. Yes. So we update the letter. If the duration in response is less than the current duration, we update both. This
I
seems
like
pretty
it.
fair. This
I
seems pretty
like it.
fair. I like it a lot. I like it a lot.
Shall we?
I,
Shall
let's
we
see. Let's see.
click
Let's
play?
see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see how
Click
it
and
goes.
play.
Ooh. Oh,
Okay.
nice,
Okay.
nice, nice, nice. All
But
right, let's see then.
I'm skeptical. Why
Yeah, me
is it
too,
a
bro.
59.5?
Um,
Let's
there's
look.
a test case on the first page, all the way in the bottom. And that's pretty much it.
Someone said pretty tricky.
Uh,
I knew it. Which one? This one test case?
yes, it was the one in the bottom. Yeah, that one, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere.
All right, that's all we got. Let's see what this person said. How is this easy? I'm never gonna learn a code. I should just become a plumber. Says Eli.
Eli,
It was
you're
in. It was in
asking.
the replies on the pretty tricky.
Yeah, yeah. I just saw it right now.
Okay. So what's the tricky part? Should we?
Uh,
This one
not
doesn't
sure.
have a duplicate. Oh yeah, it does Z and Z. Let's try
Okay, okay.
something. Let's try 12 41 6 7
Hey, hey,
8
hey.
8 1 1 1 1
That's gonna get us a
8
lot of views.
7 2 3 24. Okay, how much is that? 4 8 10. Okay.
Make
So
sure
then
they're
let's go.
sorted though. Do they
Oh
have to be
shoot.
sorted?
Yes, they do. What's the fastest sort for a human?
Mm.
Just like this. And then 6, 8, 23, 24. Okay, like that.
Nice, nice, nice.
10.
Yeah.
So let's do AA, RT, L, Q, or K, Q, Q, R. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. J.
Okay. And you put a comma at the end after the 88. Yeah, yeah.
Good catch.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh.
Oh. It can't be the same number.
Oh, I see, I see, I see.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. I think I feel okay
How'd they
about
submit it,
this.
bro? Submit it.
Submitting it. And the
Fingers
result
crossed.
is.
Let's go.
Woohoo!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Too
Let's
easy.
go.
Too easy. Too easy, bro.
Nice.
I wonder why they were saying that was tricky, though.
Hmm. I don't know, but I do think this was a little bit extra right here at this array.
Yeah, the one,
Or
yeah.
what do you mean?
Oh, no, like, the question. So they said it was a little bit tricky, but I think they were referring to the same paragraph you said, to the fact, like, uh, that if you press the same letter, it's different duration. So maybe they
Yeah.
referred to that. Yeah. Oh man, dude, that's good, bro. That's
Nice.
good. Yeah.
All right. Well, then let's see what else we got. Should we look for an article to talk about, or just go to another problem?
Up to you, brother. Up to you, my guy.
Let's see.
Alright. Let me see.
You can look for an article. I'll look for
Yeah.
another problem.
Yes.
So
I
right
got you.
now, let me see. I'm gonna look for. Let's do a. Oh, I saw Zootopia too.
Ooh, did you like it?
I
I thought it was
liked it.
funny.
Wait, you
I thought it
saw
was
it?
funny. I'm sorry too.
What
I'm
was your
sorry too.
favorite part?
Oh,
Or who's
dude.
your favorite character? I'll tell you who
Oh
mine is.
man.
In this movie specifically.
This movie, did you? It was the one in the bar. The one where they went to
The
the
iguana?
bar.
Iguana?
Yeah, the iguana, bro.
The
The
one with the
freaking running
hat?
dude. Dude, that thing was
Yeah,
crazy, dude. You
that
couldn't
was
take it
funny.
seriously.
I
Oh
like
man,
the
I love that.
horse.
The horse. Oh yes. The horse and the zebra.
No, oh, the zebras are funny too. Yes, the zebras are
Oh,
funny, but the horse,
oh yeah, the mayor. The
yeah,
mayor.
I guess he was the
Yeah,
mayor,
yeah,
because he was always like in the spotlight and he like.
yeah.
So that was really funny.
No, honestly, it was. I thought. I liked the first one. The first one was pretty cool. Second one, I didn't know what to expect, but it was pretty fun. It was actually pretty fun. I liked it a lot.
Yeah,
It was pretty funny.
did you get like a plot twist towards the end or no?
Plot twist. Honestly, ooh. Honestly, I had a little bit of suspicion on the guy.
Okay.
I had a little bit of suspicion, but I was like, nah, it's okay. I'm just gonna go through it. But honestly, bro, you know, it was crazy. It was a crazy little plot twist in there, you know. Cause I had a little thing about, like, I forgot what animal was it. Uh, but I feel like he was being too nice. You know, the villain.
Uh-huh. There was a link.
Yeah, but
Links. It was like a
Lynx.
cat.
There we go. Lynx. Yeah, Lynx. Yeah. They were. I think the guy was being too nice for me, and I was like, this guy's sussy. This guy's sussy.
Yeah.
But honestly, bro, I like the whole fighting scene towards the end with, like, was it the Venom and stuff?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Like the how I don't know. I just like all that fighting scene. It was pretty neat. And the ending, I also like the ending. It was pretty cool too. Let us see. Damn, let me see. What type of articles are you looking for right now? There's a lot. There's about drones, exploding drones, killer AI drones, phone searches at the border. Um, dude, talking about technology, dude, and stuff. I've been falling in love with cars, bro.
Really?
Yeah, especially the Porsche cars, bro. Oof, dude. They're crazy. They're really beautiful, bro. Um, yeah, just a little side note there. I've been watching a lot of reels, dude, about Porsches, dude. I want to get one. Um, Damn, there's not much. Mm,
We could do a Reddit question.
Ooh, let's. Yeah, I think a Reddit will be a little bit better. 'Cause there's not much of articles right now. I'm looking at CNN. New York Times, not CNN. New York Times. Maybe this one over here. Uh, mm,
I got a good
hmm.
Reddit one.
You got a good Reddit one? All right, I think we should go to the Reddit one then, because
Okay.
I'm not finding anything good right now.
All right.
Okay, let's
You
see.
ready?
Let's see.
See
I'm
my
ready,
you
bro.
see my screen?
I see your screen. I see your screen.
All right, folks. We're here on the r/learn programming. This was submitted by Alex P. Vita 17 days ago. Alex says, why is there no structured learning path in programming like in medicine? They also explain, I struggle a
Mm.
lot with learning programming because I need a clear, ordered path like books, courses, and a fixed sequence, similar to how medicine has autonomy, autonomy, not
Damn.
anatomy. Who don't even get me to say that one. Uh,
I'm gonna let you.
physiology,
Take a minute, bro. Take it. Take your time.
physiology,
Okay.
and clinical practice. Right? Autonomy. What did I say? Anatomy. Oh no,
Anatomy,
I said autonomy.
autonomy, something like
Autonomy,
that.
and then I was gonna say uh, physiology. I was gonna say mythology.
Oh,
Okay.
man, bro.
Most advice I get is just build projects or learn as you go, but that doesn't work for me. How did you actually learn? Did you follow a structured curriculum or did you piece things together over time? I'm trying to understand if this lack of structure is inherent to programming or am I missing something?
Mm.
Okay, well, I don't know if they're in school. You go first, sir.
I mean, um, I feel like, talking from a programming perspective, like in school and courses and stuff, they teach you, right, like it's because there's a lot of things to cover. I think that's my feeling. There's a bunch of things to cover, bunch of tools, bunch of libraries, bunch of languages, applications, different things that you can do within programming, different fields, different roadmaps. So it's very hard to like pinpoint A to B, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Um, because there's a lot of courses, there's a lot of tutorials that can guide you from A to B, but then you just learn what they teach you in that course. So and maybe what they teach you in the course is just to get from us like how to build a project and that simple project, and you learn just the tools to build that project. But um, if you want to create another project that's not really as similar as the one you created, you have to learn another tools, maybe another programming language or another libraries, right? So you might need to take another course and tutorial on that. So it's very broad. So there's not really. I feel like that's the why there's no structure in programming, because there's a lot to learn, and I think just like looking at tutorials and reading articles and stuff, I think that's just like wasting a time. Of my opinion, it's just wasting time. Maybe to learn a new programming language, learn something, yes, that's cool, right? Go through a tutorial, but sometimes you have to break out of the tutorial because tutorials are just gonna keep you in a loop, in a loop, in a loop, in a loop, in a loop. So maybe throwing yourself out there and just learning as you go is the best path, because tutorials are just gonna teach you so much, right? They're just gonna give you so much knowledge and so much things to learn, but it's not enough for you to become like a software engineer or something bigger than just a tutorial. If that makes sense. I'm not sure if I'm explaining myself correctly.
I think you are. I think
Yeah, I bet.
I think you are. What I would say is to answer the question, how did you actually learn? Well, it was through college, um, but before that, it was a course. Like it was just like a basic course. And I'm
Mm-hmm.
not saying I learned programming, like everything about programming, but it just sort of that course did introduce me to like a new way of thinking. I will say I didn't quite get the coding stuff yet. I didn't quite understand it, but it was like it was making me think a little bit differently than I was normally used to. So it taught me, like it introduced me to that new way of like thinking of stuff like logically, right? Um,
Yeah.
but then course, but then with college, that's when there was in the beginning it was very structured. Like you're only allowed to take these certain classes because it unlocks the other bigger, more advanced classes in the future. So the more you get down your catalog or like the classes you need to take to graduate, the further you get, the more like doesn't get as structured anymore as the beginning. Like you get to choose what you would want to learn. Like okay, if you want to go in software engineering field, there's a class of software
Mm.
engineering. If you want to go to data science, there's a class of data science. So it's kind of like everywhere. I think like you're saying that, Jose, as well. Like there's not just one thing when it comes to programming. There's multiple different subtracks and all these little things that you could apply your programming skills to. But anywho, all that to say is, in the beginning of my college for computer science, it was very structured. You took math course and you took the beginning intro programming languages, and those are where you really have to like pay attention and really get stuff down. And then of course your data structures class. Once you get those down and you go and take those courses and really study and learn them, um, the rest, hopefully the rest should make you after that it and after learning all that should make you like very interested to do stuff on your own, because I agree it's not as structured, right? But I guess the interest or the passion or the motivation for you to learn programming should be really high at that point once you got a good grasp of the basics, to where you can actually get start building some projects and you learn. That's where learn as you go comes into play. So I do think all in all to say is definitely look for a very structured course. If you're not in college, that's okay, but there's a lot of courses out there that you could get the understandings, and maybe that's the kind of structure you're looking for. But but then once you get the basics and stuff done, I don't know if you could find anything structured after that. Like I don't think there is. There's different tracks that maybe there's courses for, but I think it's more of just learning as you go, as they say, right? And
Mm.
if LeetCode's a
Yes.
part of that journey, LeetCode is another thing where there's not really a course on LeetCode like in school or anything. Maybe online for sure. There's courses on LeetCode and stuff like that, but ultimately you could look at those courses and you still would have to get your feet wet on those and do them yourself and learn them and go through that. So I think I think yeah, I think that's my answer to how did you actually learn. Why there's no
Yeah.
structural learning path, I don't really know. I think Jose was answering that one too. So,
Yeah.
but that's all I have to say
Yeah.
for that one.
Yeah.
Anything you'd like
Just
to
to add a
add?
little bit more. Yeah. I think there is a structured path, but the structured path I think is too short. Well, not too short, but it's like you get over it like super quickly. or like it's just like a very small part of, like Carlos was saying, it's like very small part of like the actual programming. Because to me, when I was learning, I was following the same trend where I was looking at the tutorial and stuff, and it's very structured. For example, I was learning Java, you learn variables, you learn how to do classes, object-oriented programming, you learn this, boom, boom, boom. So it was pretty straightforward. But once you finish it there, right, you're thrown into the world. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like you learn the syntax, you learn the theory. For example, in the case of Java, there's like object-oriented programming, like encapsulation, polymorphism, all that stuff. You learn that, and you understand it. You build a very small project. You open up Eclipse or something, create your couple classes, see how it works, this and that, and then you move on to the next chapter. You kind of go a little bit deeper. But once you finish the book or course, right, you're kind of left like, how do I apply all this stuff? I just learned how to create a class. I just learned how variables work. How is this going to help me? That's how a problem that I faced is I've completed tutorials and tutorials. Then I was left with a void of like, what's the next step? Where can I go to give me a guide to be for the next step? Because I just finished this one. Which one is next? So it's that's where you kind of like start to pivot on to finding a project you like, finding something that you enjoy, something in your life that you want to automate, and start applying what you learn from the first step onto that project. So I feel like that's where the unstructured part starts to come in, because after you covered the basics, you covered your data structures, so that's where the voidness of like, where should I go? I would say a great pivot point is to look for a project that you feel like you're gonna enjoy, and just start applying those concepts. I think that's a journey I took, and I think that's gonna be very helpful for sure. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep,
Sorry,
yep.
sorry.
Oh, all
I was
good, all
muted.
good. All good, bro.
I was
No
talking,
worries.
but anyway, because I had to blow my nose earlier, so I muted.
Okay,
What I was gonna
okay, all
say
good. No
was,
worries, bro.
um, damn it, what was I saying? I was saying, yeah, whenever you start those projects, you're still gonna feel like, oh, where do I even start, right? Like you don't
Yeah.
even know where to begin. But I think that's like the whole, that's like the, that's like part of it. The part of it is like you don't know where you're not gonna know everything. You're not gonna know how to start, and then maybe you're gonna feel like, well, I just learned all this, like, and I still don't even know how to start. Well,
Mm.
that's where you have to come in, um, and be very clear what you're trying to build, and then break it down into sub problems, and then sub problems from the sub problems and stuff like that. So if you're gonna build a um, what's a simple project?
It's a
Okay, if you're gonna build a calendar app, right? If
Okay.
you're gonna build a
Nice,
calendar app,
nice.
how can you break like, and you have an empty slate, an empty project, VS Code empty, and you're like, damn, where do I even start, right? Think like, okay, what are some features that I need to put in the calendar project? Okay, it needs to have the current date and time. It needs to have ways to create events, right? It needs a way to store text for those events, and then maybe you could share the event to other people. So those are like four problems, right? Or four features. And then the first one, date and time. Okay, how do you get date and time? Well, what language are you using? Okay, are you using Python? Okay, well then now you search up how to get date and time in Python. Once you search that up and you see, oh, there's a library called what is it called?
I think it's time.
Yes,
Mhm.
time, right?
Yeah, let me
Now,
let me verify that.
let's just say that's the right one. Jose's gonna verify,
Okay, okay, okay. Bet.
but then you import time, and then you just look at the simple code that it says, right? You're not gonna you're not gonna have the most optimized, most cleanest code ever, like your first project, right? Like that's the cool part of programming is once you do a project and you move on to the next one, and you can go back and see like, damn, like I wasn't that wasn't that good or whatever, right? But that's why you learn as you go. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
and did we get a fact check on that?
Yes, got fact check on that, and I think it is time. Yes,
Time.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
perfect. So I think good question, and I believe let's just try to get one more problem in, and we'll call it a episode.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Oh, man, bro. Let's see
Also,
how we do this part.
let us know what you think in the comments. If you're watching right now, we really do appreciate it. Please subscribe. We do have a sub goal of 1,000. You can help us get
Yeah.
to that sub goal if you want or not. That's okay with us. We're still gonna be doing this every week. I don't care if I'm sick. I'm still gonna be doing it. Um, Actually, I do care if I'm sick. I was sick a couple days ago and I couldn't do the recording, but right now I'm still a little bit sick. But I don't care. I still want to get this thing out for everyone. So
Yes,
um,
sir. Yes, sir.
let's go to the next problem. I believe this is an array problem, and this is called missing number. I could read it for us.
Okay. Yeah.
We have missing number 268. It's an easy. You're given an array nums containing n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n. Return the only number in the range that is missing from the array.
Mmm.
Okay. It's not a sorted array either. Got it. So example 1, we got to input nums 301. Output is 2. Since n equals 3, there are 3 numbers, so all numbers in the range are 0 to 3. 2 is the missing number in the range, so it doesn't appear. Okay.
Okay.
We have example 2, nums 0, 1. Since there are 2 numbers, all numbers are in the range 0 to 2. 2 is the missing number since that number doesn't appear. Okay. We have nums, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 9. N is 9. So the output is 8. Oh, it says it right here. Sorry. Since there are 9 numbers, so all numbers in the range 0 to 9, 8 is the missing number in the range. It does not appear in nums. Got it?
Got it. Okay.
You understand?
I understand.
Okay.
Can we see those constraints?
Oh, yes.
If yeah.
Constraints say n equals nums.length. N won't be less than 1 and greater than 10 to the 4.
Okay.
Nums I will be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to n. All the numbers of nums are unique. There's
Okay,
a
that makes sense.
question. Could you implement a solution using only O of 1, extra space complexity, and runtime?
Ufas. Okay. Let's see.
So initially, like, if we don't want to do the follow-up, I mean, you could get the length of the nums, and then you kind of,
Oh, I think we could sort it,
okay.
and then we sort it, and then we check each element to see if it's one greater than the previous element. Is that for example, we check 0, then 1 is 1 greater than 0 because 0 plus 1 equals 1. Then 3, we check 1. 3 is 2 greater than 1 because you have to add 2 to get a 3.
I like that, but what if it's 0, 1, 4? Oh, never mind.
Oh, 0, 1, 4.
It's only return the only number in the range that is missing. Okay, so there'll only be one number missing. So
Okay.
there'll never be a gap of 2. So I was gonna say like not that
Mhm.
wouldn't work because what if there's a gap of 2 and you
Mhm.
miss like what about if it's 0, 1, 4? What about 2 and 3? But
Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, I see where you're coming
but
from. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
anyways, we cleared that up. I like that
Mhm.
then. We sort, and then I'll run through them.
We Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, sorry. Let me get this.
All good, all good.
Get this for you. Okay, gonna add you. Let me know if this works.
Let me see. Yeah, I'm in it.
Okay. Sort, then start from beginning and see if I minus 1 is
Is
less
one
is
bigger.
1 I minus 1 is 1 less. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so I guess to see that you would just subtract I and I minus 1 and see if it equals to 1.
Mhm.
Okay. And sorry, if it's not
All good.
1 less, then how do we get that number?
We can store it
Subtract 1 from
Ooh.
I.
Yes. That works.
Okay, so for I in range, we're gonna sort. That's right.
Mhm.
Yeah. This is okay still?
That seems okay. Yeah.
Then we're gonna say if I equals 0. Will it always start at 0?
Yeah. Whoa. Ooh. We have to check if we got a 0. Yeah, we have to do a check if it's 0. Because maybe 0 is not included.
I think 0 is included.
0 is included?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. How do we do this one? What if 0's not? What if 0's not
What
in
if
there?
0's not in? If 0's not in there, okay. Okay, so I think that's a like a edge case where we're gonna do if sort if nums position I. Ooh.
Sort nums.
Okay, I see. Yes. If I equals 0 and sort nums position nums at I, right? What am I trying to? We're trying to look if it's what happens when if it's 0, right?
If it's not equals 0, I guess.
If it's not equal 0, if sort I is not equal to no, yes, and then this thing is not equal I had a little brain fart in here. Here we break and missing. Sí, abuela. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
We break
We gotta
and
hurry
we
up. We gotta hurry up.
return missing right here.
Okay.
Missing equals to sort nums session I -1. Like that.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
we say we're gonna do calculation equals sort nums I minus sort nums I minus 1 if I guess you could just do equals 1 or not equals 1. Not equals 1.
Oh, yes. That makes sense.
And missing equals sort nums I minus 1.
That works.
Break.
That works. Yes.
Anything?
Yes, that works. Now the only thing is that if we have a 0 and then the first thing is 0, right? This is gonna create a out of bounds. So to fix that, we're just gonna do else with colon continue like that.
Yes. I see what you're saying.
Yes. Yeah, because if then we're gonna get out of bounds if we're trying to get the previous number.
Yeah.
No, yeah. So this should work. I like this. So let's just run it one more time. We got the missing, we got the sorted, high range, blah blah blah. Ufas. Okay. Missing goes okay. So we said sort nums equals sort nums, and range of length of sort nums. If I equals to 0 and sort nums I is not equal to 0, right? Okay, else continue.
I think this may be wrong.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. Oh, wait. What's sort nums I?
Sort nunims.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh.
So
I went through sort nums at I minus sort nums I minus 1.
Wait, sort
I less than sort nums I minus 1. Missing. Yes. All right. Oh. Zero. So this is to check if the first number, which is 0, is not 0. If it is, okay, we return -1. Else we break. If numbers at I, which is 1, is only equal to 1, 3, 3 minus can we print let's see what yeah let's see We also, let me see. Oh,
No, that never runs.
oh. Print. All right, let's see, let's see.
Okay, so this never happens. Oh, I see. This right
Oh, that no wonder. Okay, okay. Um, let's turn this into an else if.
Okay.
Right, so let's do.
Well, it was
Bro,
still.
that's.
This will still get caught, like you said.
Ooh. Mm. Okay. Okay. Um.
Okay, how about this?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yes. 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 Oh,
Oh,
never mind.
nice.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Alright, what happened
Ooh.
here?
Nice. 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 Let me run it on my end. See what happens.
I see what's happening here. Move fast. That's a. Ah!
Ooh. 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 Okay. Okay. That's interesting. Damn.
Yeah.
They got us here. They got us
Yeah.
here.
They did. They did
They
indeed.
did. They did. They did. They did. Okay. Yeah, because this is 3, no? Okay. Okay. Okay.
We need to get the length.
Yes. What if we get no? What if we get the last element, right? And
Oh.
check if it's
Oh. At the end, if there's if let's say this is no or none. None.
okay.
If missing is none, return
And the length of nums.
sort nums at -1 plus 1.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe.
Okay. Okay. Let me run this one. Let me run it. Okay. Accepted. Nice. Let's look through. Oh, I just saw the discussion board. A lot of XORs.
Oh yeah, I see that as well.
Yeah, it's giving some concern. I get. Oh, let's see. There's no. Seems like there's no test cases.
Should we just yellow it? I don't know if that fix is good
Why
enough.
not? Why not?
I don't know if this fix is good enough.
All right,
but
let's do some test cases then.
okay.
What are we looking at?
Put them down right here in this.
Okay,
and then
okay,
I'll
okay.
copy it.
All right, let's see. Let's do some like 0, 1, 4, 5, 5, 2, 8. Wait, wait. I think that's wrong. Let me see. Let's skip it up to 7. So we got 0. Uh-huh, 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 uh-huh. That should work. Should it? Should it? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that should work. Um, Let me do another one. Keep it as
Oh
skip it
yeah.
up to 7 again.
What if there's no 0?
No 0. I got you.
Well, I
1,
guess we
2,
did that right
3.
here.
Let's just test it out with this test case. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Hey, 5. All right, that's another test case right there. And let's do. Let's just do a single number. 0. Let's do something like that. Yeah. All right, that should work. That should work.
All right. And the result is, let's see. Press and play. Oh. We got this. Oh.
Oh, we got those right. Okay, nice. We should be good then. We should be good then.
You think so?
I believe so.
Submitted. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Okay. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice.
Nice, man.
Nice. Perfect, man. Perfect.
Wow.
Great stuff, brother. Great stuff.
I like that.
Good, good problems today. Good problems.
Yeah.
Not too hard, just enough to like keep that mind working. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's good, bro. That's good, bro.
Woohoo.
All right, man.
I think that's
All right,
it.
bro.
That's it for today. Then everyone that's celebrating today, please be safe. Enjoy the new year. Enjoy the celebration. Get some resolutions down if you do that. I haven't done any resolutions just yet, but
Okay.
I think I'm gonna do some resolutions, and then yeah, man, just be safe
All right,
and
man.
all that good stuff, and get ready for a new year, good year, exciting year, all that good stuff. So
Yes,
Jose,
sir.
it's been a great another year with us.
Yes, sir,
and the
bro.
hardworking geniuses.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep it going until the wheels fall off.
Yeah.
So, that's about it. Anything
Yeah,
else
it's
you have to say?
perfect. No, same here, same thing. Just be safe out there if you guys do celebrate and are you gonna do fireworks? Stay safe from the fireworks. And yeah, I'm excited for this new year. Might write down some resolutions. My girlfriend is making me write down resolutions, so kind of forced to now. But yeah, other than that, I'm happy. I'm excited for this new year. Hardworking geniuses. We're gonna keep it a little bit hard now. Do a little bit hit it hard next year. I know this couple of 2 weeks we're being a little bit iffy, but Carlos got his own things. I got my own things. That we both got sick, so we're trying to figure out. With the holidays on the side, we're trying to figure out. But we were here though. We're here.
Yes,
Making the
sir.
best of it, even if they're short. Even if we just do 2 easy problems, we're here. We're consistent. We're trying our best to do every single day, every single week to have a video up for you guys. So yeah, I'm excited. And that's it for me.
All right. Well, appreciate it. If everyone is watching already until the end, thank y'all. Like, comment, any New Year's resolutions you have, and we'll see y'all next year.
Yes, sir.
All
Bye
right.
bye.
See
Take
y'all
care.
later.